Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now if you're new around here, I'm Nima. I've been a corporate executive with over 15 years of experience in both sales and finance. My videos break down complex financial concepts to help you on your financial journey, whether you're just starting out or if you're already a seasoned pro. So thanks for clicking in, and let's jump into today's topic, which is the 5 best places to open a Roth IRA for beginners. Now, many of you have asked for guidance on where to open a Roth IRA account, so I'm making this video to help anyone who's in need. Now, before we dive into this video, I'm going to break it down into 2 different parts. In the first part, I'll try to identify the type of investor that you might be, because it's crucial to determine your investing style first. Now, if you prefer to be hands-on and actively managing your investments, an online brokerage may be the way to go. On the other hand, if you have a more passive approach to investing, you might consider a robo-advisor. These automated platforms use algorithms to manage your portfolio, making them suitable for investors who prefer a more hands-off and passive approach. Now, in the second part of this video, I'll be providing you with what I believe are the 5 best Roth IRA options for beginners right now. Now, 3 of them are going to be hands-on and 2 of them are going to be hands-off options. If you are interested in opening an account, then you can look at these suggestions that I'll provide and you can make the best decision for yourself. So guys, let's go ahead and get started with the first part of the video. If you'd like to be a hands-on investor or more of a passive investor, having robo-advisors do the work for you. So let's explore the criteria you should consider when selecting where to open your Roth IRA. So first, it's best to look for no minimum accounts. You should ensure the account you choose has no minimum deposit requirements. This way, you don't have to necessarily start with any money up front, and it provides you with some additional flexibility. This isn't always the easiest option to find, and some accounts are worth the small minimum they require for you to get started. Just make sure the best decision for you is based on your financial situation. Second, look for no commission accounts. Now, fortunately, most online brokerages no longer charge commissions for trades. However, there are some robo-advisors that may still have a small management fee because they are doing the work for you. So guys, just keep this in mind and shoot for an IRA account that isn't going to cost you much to upkeep. Third, look for a user-friendly interface. From my experience, it's best to have an easy-to-use app or platform with accessible customer support. Anything that might be confusing can be off-putting and may make you regret opening up the account in the first place. And fourth, look for strong investment options. Try and assess the range of investments available with the account that you are looking to team up with. Now, while most brokerages offer access to various ETFs and funds, robo-advisors may have more limited options due to their automated portfolios. If there are particular investments that you know you want to have, double check with the brokerage first to see if it's offered. Now, before I jump into the second part of this video, I'd really appreciate it if you could just smash the like button, comment, and subscribe, as it really helps the channel grow and it allows me to continue making more videos for you guys. I really do enjoy helping all of you learn, and I believe helpful content should be free without charging for a course or anything like that. So please smash the like button, put a comment down below, and subscribe to help the channel grow. Now on to the second part of this video, to choose which IRA accounts are the best to open right now. For you active, hands-on investors, I would recommend considering the following platforms. The first one on this list is TD Ameritrade IRA. This IRA account is rated 5 out of 5 stars on nerdwallet.com. They have $0 fees per trade, they have no account minimums, they have a large lineup for no transaction fee mutual funds, and commission-free stock and ETF trades. In addition to all of this, TD Ameritrade provides access to a wide range of investment choices, including stocks, bonds, ETFs, mutual funds, and a lot more. This honestly allows you to diversify your portfolio effectively. Now, my biggest reason for recommending them is their accessibility. TD Ameritrade offers really user-friendly online and mobile platforms, making it easy to manage your Roth IRA account while staying informed about your investments. They also have a huge library of educational resources and free paper trading accounts as a guest feature to help investors hone in on their skills. Now, the second one on this list is Fidelity IRA. Now, this IRA account is rated 5 out of 5 stars on nerdwallet.com. Now, Fidelity is excellent for beginners, providing various resources and calculators. They happen to offer low-cost funds funds, including index funds, and they have an easy-to-use interface as well. They also have $0 fees per trade and no account minimums. They include free research and data for your investing goals, strong customer support, and a quality trading platform. Fidelity's lineup of services for investors goes well beyond retirement accounts as well. The company's brokerage arm features $0 commissions, a wide investment selection, plenty of research and advanced trading capabilities, including a strong mobile app. Right now, Fidelity is offering $100 back when you open a new Fidelity retail IRA with a $50 minimum. And that's a 200% match, and all you have to do is use code Fidelity100 on their website. Now, I just want to make it clear that I am not sponsored by Fidelity. I'm just providing you with the research that I've found and what helped me. Now, the third on the list is JP Morgan's self-directed investing Roth IRA. Now, this one is rated 4.7 out of 5 stars on nerdwallet.com. Now, the reason that I'm recommending it is because they have $0 fees per trade, they have no account minimums, they currently have a promotion where you can get $50 when you open and fund a new account with $5,000 on chase.com or the Chase mobile app. In addition to that, they have a really easy to use platform. Now, if you are a current customer with Chase Bank, their app also connects to all of your Chase accounts, so it makes investing and transferring money to the account fairly simple. And honestly, guys, it's a pretty clear-cut investment platform that is great for beginners that are looking to learn how to buy and sell their investments. Now, if you lean more towards passive, hands-off investing, consider these robo-advisors. The first one is SoFi Automated Investing. SoFi is rated 4.9 out of 5 stars on nerdwallet.com. They do not require any money to get started, no account minimums, and they charge nothing as far as fees. They have a broad range of low-cost investments, free management, automatic rebalancing, customer support, and access to different certified financial planners. Now, the reason that I really like it is because the free management, access to financial advisors, and career counselors that make SoFi Automated Investing a solid choice for beginning and younger investors. And the second one, that is the last one on this list, is Wealthfront. Now, Wealthfront is rated 5 out of 5 stars on nerdwallet.com. They actually do require a minimum investment of $500, and they charge a 0.25% fee on assets under management. But guys, with that being said, they honestly take the hassle out of IRA investing. The robo-advisor manages your account by constructing portfolios out of low-cost ETFs with a flat and low-cost fee structure that appeals to investors seeking a hands-off approach. What's nice is that the company has built their clients' trust by offering free management on the first $5,000 that's invested. In addition to this, they automatically rebalance your portfolio and employ tax loss harvesting to optimize your tax situation. Right now, they are offering a $50 customer bonus when you fund your first taxable investment account. And last but not least, they provide digital financing planning tools to help you with your goals. Just remember, guys, you can have multiple Roth IRA accounts across any of these platforms, but the total annual contribution limit does remain the same. For the tax year of 2023, the limit is now $6,500 annually if you're under the age of 50 and $7,500 annually if you are 50 years or older. Now, I hope that you found this video helpful in determining the best places to open a Roth IRA. Please share this video with anyone that you know that may be looking to open an account and potentially invest. If you have any additional suggestions or just your experiences with other platforms, please go ahead and share them in the comments down below. I really do appreciate you guys watching the video, and if you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos every single week. I'll see you all in the next video.